Bank and credit card categories. In Sage Business Cloud accounting software, you can create your bank and credit card categories. After you create your bank and credit card categories, you can link your bank and credit card categories to your bank account. The main advantage of this bank and credit card categories is you can generate banking report by filtering according to bank and credit card categories. There are two methods of creating bank and credit card categories. First method is you can go to banking, select list, select bank and credit card categories. Click add category. From here you can type your bank and credit card category. After that you can save this category. There are two buttons, save and next button is save and new. First we will click the save button. After you click the save button, system will display that saved category. We will click add category and we will add another one. Now if you click save button, it will save the category and it will go to the bank and credit card list. If you click save and new, button, that category, entered category will save and it will clear the description. So again you can type new category or you can save new category without going to banking list and bank and credit card categories. So if you want to save only one category at a time, you can use this save button, and if you are saving more than one category, you can use this save and new button. Okay, like that you can create your bank and credit card categories. After you create that bank and credit card categories, you can view that list of bank and credit card categories. There are two headings, description and actions. If you click this description heading, you can sort by ascending or descending order. If you click once, it will sort or it will change the ascending or descending like this, and you can view how many categories, how many bank and credit card categories in the list. In this example there are 5 bank and credit card categories, and if you type any category here and you can search, I'll type savings and click the search button. Now it will display the that include only savings word, and you can export this bank and credit card categories to CSV file. You can click this CSV button and you can export to CSV file. Next, if you click this actions button, you can edit or delete this account, or you can edit this category. Okay. Click actions and edit. We'll change this and save. Now you can see that credit card category has changed. Okay. Like that you can edit your bank and credit card categories. Next, if you want to delete any category, you can click actions and select delete, system will ask, are you sure you want to delete category? Click yes if you want to delete, then it will delete it. Now record has reduced to 4. And if you link any bank and credit card category to any bank account, you cannot delete that category. Now we'll try one. Click actions and select delete. System will ask, are you sure you want to delete the category? If you click yes, then system will pop up warning message, this category is linked to a bank account and cannot be deleted. Okay, so if you have linked any category to any bank account, you cannot delete that bank and credit card category. Right, next we will discuss second method. Now when you are creating your bank accounts, you can first create the bank and credit card categories. After that you can create your bank account. Okay, you can go to banking and select either bank or credit card. We have a separate video for how to create new bank accounts, and this is the screen. You can create bank accounts, and here display drop down menu that bank account categories. So if you already created any bank account category, you can select from here. And second method is you can add new category from this list. Okay, you can click this category, and by clicking add new category you can add new category, or you can create new bank account category. Like that, you can type the description and you can save, then it will add to the list. Okay. Like that, you can add bank and credit card category when you are creating a new bank account. Okay, now you can view the list. Okay, let's move to reporting section. Go to banking, select report and select list of bank and credit cards. Now when you are generating reports, there's a filter for bank and credit card category, so you can select if you want to add any filter and you can generate the report. First we will generate a report without filter. Now your bank account list will display. You will generate only savings account. If you want to view only savings account, you can select savings accounts and you can view. Okay, right. When you are filtering by bank and credit card category, you can select particular category, or you can select range of category. Now there are more than one category, or if you don't select any category, system will display all category bank accounts. This is bank and credit card listing report. Next we will move to bank and credit card transactions. Here also there's a filter for category bank and credit card categories. So now if you want to view only credit card transactions, credit card account transaction, you can select credit card account as bank and credit card category and you can view the report. Next you can generate cash movement report by selecting bank and credit card category, and you can generate cash flow report. You can add a bank and credit card category filter, and you can generate the report. Right. Like that, you can create your bank and credit card categories, and you can generate reports by selecting your bank and credit card category.